Okay, we've got here a 16 volt power supply, 2 amps. I turned the things all up to max and turn it on, but it's not connected to the power yet. And the output, DC, is to this 1000 microfarad 50 volt capacitor. I used the wrong polarity. As you can see, the minus is connected to the positive. Now let's see what is gonna happen. Turning it on. It's only low amps, 0.13 amps, but it's rising. 16, 17. Top of the capacitor has kind of safety cap, and this is used for the internal pressure to be released. Current is rising now soon. 1 amp, 1.5, 2 amps. Voltage is dropping, 13.2, 12.5, 12 volts. Still the capacitor works. 11. 10, 8, 7. Rather disappointing this. I should have used higher voltage. I'm pretty sure this thing now is very hot inside. 6 volts, so that's 12 watts going in. Still nothing is happening. And 6 volts is where it seems to level out, and now it's rising again. 6.5. 7 volts. I have no clue what's happening inside, but it is already bulging. You can't see it properly. I'll zoom in. The cap is bulging and it smells. Must be very hot. 7 volts. And the voltage has dropped again. 5 volts, rising. It starts smoking. Yes. 6 volts. I guess the voltage and the power isn't enough for the 50 volt cap to really explode or do something. It is smoking. It must be very hot. It smells nasty. So, internally it's cooking. The electrolyte is now boiling away. Something is coming out. Yeah, there's a little bit of action. Voltage is rising to 8.5 volts. There's more smoke. And we have some sound. It's very weak, but here we go. You see the pressure is released by the top of the cap. Now we have action. Smoke is heavy. 15 volts, 16 volts, maximum voltage. Amperes are dropping to 1.0 amps now, and it's cooking. So it takes a while, but it does work. We're now at 5.5 minutes, and slowly the amperage is dropping. Already half an amp underneath it, and soon it will stop. So this is a bit of a disappointment. There's a lot of smoke but no bang. But what if we sealed that cap up with some second glue and paper so the smoke wouldn't be allowed to go anywhere? Well, it stopped working now. Amperage is dropping to 0.13 amps. So I guess this concludes the test, part 1.